Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x equal to 30. Now we are going to take 3 power x common. So 3 power x open bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 30. Now 3 power x times this is 4 equal to 30. Now divide by 4 on both sides. Here 4. Now this 4 cancels this. So we have 3 power x equal to 30 by 4. Now 3 power x equal to, this 30 can be written as 15 times of 2 by this 4 can be written as 2 times of 2. Now this 2 cancels this. So we have 3 power x equal to 15 by 2. Now take a log on both sides. So log 3 power x equal to log 15 by 2. Now as per this log formula, that is log a by b equal to log a minus log b. This formula we are going to apply here. So log 3 power x equal to log 15 minus log 2. Now we are going to apply that log power formula, that is log a power p equal to p log a. This formula we are going to apply. So this x will come here. So x log 3 equal to log 15 minus log 2. Now divide log 3 on both sides. Log 3 here log 3. Now this log 3 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 15 by log 3 minus log 2 by log 3. Now this 15 can be written as 5 times of 3. So x equal to log 5 times of 3 by log 3 minus log 2 by log 3. Now as per this log product formula, that is log ab equal to log a plus log b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we will get x equal to log 5 plus log 3 whole divided by log 3 minus log 2 by log 3. Now x equal to log 5 by log 3 plus log 3 by log 3 minus log 2 by log 3. Now this log 3 cancels this. Here it is 1. So x equal to 1 plus log 5 log 3 minus log 2 by log 3. Now we are going to apply this formula. Log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So x equal to 1 plus log 5 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. This is the x value. Now we are going to verify this. Verify 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x equal to 30. Now 3 power x times 4 equal to 30. Now we know that x value is 3 power x here is 1 plus log 5 base 3 minus log 2 base 3 times this 4 equal to 30. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. Same way, a power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 3 times 3 power log 5 base 3 by 3 power log 2 base 3 times 4 equal to 30. According to this formula, a power log b base a equal to b. This we are going to apply here. So 3 times 5 by 2 times 4 equal to 30. Now this cancels here. Here it is 2. So 3 times 5 is 15 times 2 is 30 equal to 30. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.